Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to unbox this foldable keyboard, take a look at exactly what comes in this little bundle. This keyboard was sent out to me to take a look at, so we're going to do an unboxing and possibly a setup on this keyboard with some of the devices that I have here in the studio. So if you guys are interested in a keyboard for your everyday activities or for travel, this might be the video for you. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump over to the desk and take a look at exactly what comes in this box. Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, let's get right to it. So let's go ahead and unbox this guy and see exactly what comes in the box. All right, as you can see, there's a really nice presentation here. Here's some documentation. In this, you're going to find all of your user manuals, your warranty card, all of that kind of stuff. And here is a quick starter guide, which walks you through how to set this up and connect this to a variety of different devices. You will be able to connect this to up to 3 different devices. All right, guys, as you can see, there's a variety of things that come in the box, including a USB-C to USB-A cable for charging. You also get one of these little foldable stands. Now this can come in handy for a smartphone. It has nice little rubberized feet underneath here. This is just going to sit up and you're just going to put it in that little slot like so, and you can set your phone down in this. It also comes with this felt little travel bag. That's convenient, you know, for throwing this in your backpack or your laptop bag or something like that. Okay, so let's take a look at the keyboard. As you guys can see, we have this PU leather on the outside, which goes all the way to the opposite side of the keyboard. Looking at it all the way around, we have our USB-C for charging it, and we have our power button. Let's go ahead and switch this guy on just to see if we have any power. And then these are magnetically closed, so you do have magnets. Now, what you guys should be able to see here is that these are really large keys. These are, you know, your standard size keys here. These are your X switch keys. You have 3 different modes or devices that you can connect to this. So we have our USB 1, USB 2, and USB 3. So for connecting this, is very simple. You're just going to do a couple of little button commands in order to get this connected. So let's pick one of these devices, maybe the MacBook, and we'll connect this keyboard to it, and I'll show you guys how all of these functions work. Okay, guys, so you're going to hit your function, your escape, and then what you're going to do is go function and 1. And that's going to activate this little blue light that you see flashing right here for number 1. And then I should be able to go over to my laptop, scroll down, and I should see that keyboard. So let's go ahead and click on connect. All right, so now we are connected. Let's test the keyboard. Let's go over to our browser. And since this does not have a tracking pad or mouse, you would have to, you know, use a mouse or a tracking pad in the situation like with this MacBook. But everything else should be working. You have all of your number keys along the top here. You have your function keys as well, your shift, your cap lock, all of your other controls are going to be here. So let's just type something in. Enter. And as you guys see, the keyboard is working perfectly. So you'll easily be able to connect this same keyboard to a variety of different devices. So if you are interested in a portable, foldable keyboard, this could be exactly what you're looking for. The little hinge that's in here is metal, so that means you're going to get a really long life out of this guy. You have magnets that are connecting it. It is very responsive. So as far as, you know, choosing something, really easy, guys, really easy. So definitely take a look at this product. I think this is going to be a win. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video showing you guys this little portable foldable keyboard for a lot of my content creators out there, especially my photographers who are now using these keyboards to control a variety of different devices. Being able to switch back and forth between the different devices is going to be a win. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.